For users to begin using Atlassian Analytics, they will need to be granted product access to Atlassian Analytics. To do this, you can either open the Invite Your Teammates section of the Quick Start and follow this link, or you can come to the admin settings and select Manage Users. Then, from the Products page, you will come to Analytics and select Manage Users. Then you will invite the users to join Atlassian Analytics by clicking this button here, entering the email address of the user or users, setting their product access here, and then clicking Invite. Additionally, you can choose to grant entire Atlassian groups access to Atlassian Analytics. To do that, you'll need to navigate back to the Products page, find Analytics again, but this time we'll select Manage Access. Here we'll see the groups that currently have access, and to add additional groups, click the Add Groups button, type the name of the group you want to add access, select the role, and then click Add. Back in Atlassian Analytics, you can give newly added users access to an Atlassian Data Lake connection. To do that, click on the Data tab, and then select View Access. You'll then be directed to the Access tab, where you can start listing the users or Atlassian groups you'd like to grant access to the data source. Then you can set their permissions level, and click Add will add them to this data source. You can also change the open permissions of the Atlassian Data Lake connection. By default, access is restricted to only the users you explicitly grant access to help ensure data security. However, the setting can be switched so that anyone with access to Atlassian Analytics can query this data source. Next, we'll cover giving access to a dashboard. To give users access to a dashboard, you can navigate to the Dashboards tab, like we just did, and find the dashboard you want to give access to. Then hover over that dashboard, open the More Actions, and select Grant Access. Then you can select the user or Atlassian group, set their permissions level, and clicking Add will give these users and groups access to this dashboard. Additionally, you can also grant access to a single dashboard from within the dashboard settings. Clicking the Share button of the dashboard sidebar will open the Access tab, where you can grant users or Atlassian groups access to this dashboard. Again, you can set their permissions level, and clicking Add will give them access to this dashboard. Dashboards also have the same open permissions that Atlassian Data Lake connections have. By default, a dashboard will be restricted to the specific users who have been given access to the dashboard, unless the setting has been changed so that anyone with product access can view the dashboard.